I'm gonna make these reverse C's, and you're gonna see why it's important later. You can use the lines on the notebook to make your grid. All you need is the horizontal lines. Just make them clean. See, I'm going from up to down. Now you can do them this way. Go from down to up. You don't need to make this divider lines. I like to make them. It's good training. Work on your separation. See, so you do one up to down and one line down to up, or vice versa.